Hello everybody, today we will do this FullSplit from blocks and how to do that. I will show today some exercises which help you to do that. So first we will start with the do. We're starting from taking legs on different sides and try and push more. When you feel that you're not, then you can try and push it more and more. So when you feel comfortable in this position, we can take breathe and slowly go firstly in one side and change back. 2 and 3. After we can try pushing more behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We can try to take your leg when you feel that you're not pain, and let's try going more down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it. Follow me, subscribe, and go and watch my other videos. So have a nice day. Bye bye. So guys, I will go to change my costume and I will come back. So stay with me and we will continue stretching. Working with our mobility and stretching our splits. So stay with me and we will get started. First exercise, we will do this with combination. We will stand on this pose, take our hands, take our knee more to ourselves and take down. So after we will slowly push up and take this leg, this, take and take with this. And after we go, so we take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will take one leg more to ourselves and take up and take turn our hips and take back. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Catch back leg. So 1 and take 2, 3, 4, and 5. We will stay in this position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take turn body and go in this side. And slowly work it with down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we take strong resistance left. And go more behind. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this side, we try to take back leg for ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take this leg down, and now we're working with open hip. So take 2 legs together, take our breath, slowly breathe out and go down and hug our legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like it, subscribe on my channel, and enjoy watching my other videos. So bye bye.
Просто ты когда наклоняешься, ты зависаешь недолго.
Засыпай.
Лежишь, да.
Ты тоже выключить на мою. Коротенькие, да?
Да.
Полегче.
Будешь вверх, так махать.
Готов? Как нормально начать?
Угу.
Hello everybody, today we will do some elements which help you to work with your stretching and mobility of your body. So stay with me and we will get started. So we will start from this position.